Okay. So this time, guys, okay, um, my other client, as I've said, it's 120 pesos per hour. Um, I don't know if he or she, because we just contacted from Facebook, and it seems like anonymous person there. So he or she said that I'll be looking for um spa in Singapore. So facial spa in Singapore. Okay. So yeah, I looked for it, and this is one. Okay. So like this one, we are going to click this one, and then we are going to get the information, right? So the same. What is the name of this? We are going to copy and paste. Okay. Iha Clinic. Okay, let's say this is spa name. Okay, so this is a different lead gen purpose. It's for the spa locations. Okay, and then the information again, the address. So this one, it seems like they're offering something. Seems like offering machines for that spa. So yeah, that's why my task is to check those spa clinics in Singapore. Okay, and then phone number. Eh, you need to put space, okay? Once like this, you need to put space, then paste. So there's no name. Mhm. If there is email, you can put email, okay? Mhm. Then another one. Let's check this one. Okay, so SG face. So this is already lead generation and data entry, guys. Okay, data entry is this one, the sheet of information, and lead generation is you are going to look for leads that you can offer whatever is the services you're giving, right? So I hope this helps you a lot this time, guys, right? So please check this YouTube channel for future videos. Happy watching!